Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Super 8 by Wyndham Shelton. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Super 8 by Wyndham Shelton is located in Shelton, within 23 miles of Hands-On Children's Museum and 29 miles of Olympic National Forest. Featuring a shared lounge, the 2-star hotel has air-conditioned rooms with free Wi-Fi, each with a private bathroom. The property has a 24-hour front desk and a business center for guests. The rooms will provide guests with a fridge. Guests at the hotel can enjoy an American breakfast. Olympia Community Center is 22 miles from Super 8 by Wyndham Shelton, while Washington Center for the Performing Arts is 22 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Seattle Tacoma International Airport, 71 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.